Hey there, Pulte fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are showcasing the Mystique floor plan by Pulte Homes. This is one of the floor plans that you can find over here in Verdana Village in Estero. The Mystique floor plan is a home that starts with 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, almost 1,900 square foot. But Pulte is a semi-custom builder, so they have some different structural options and flex room options that you can add to customize the home exactly the way that works best for you. But let's walk inside this floor plan and take a look at this amazing home. So when we come inside the front door, you've got a nice entry space here, and we'll start directly to the right side here. And directly to the right, you've got a guest bathroom here and a really nice size guest bedroom. Now coming out to the main hallway, directly across from his first guest bedroom, you've got your garage entry right here. Your indoor laundry space here with utility sink, folding station, some additional storage. And also back here, you've got a little more storage. This is where your air handler is being held right here. And just off this laundry space is the other bedroom. And this bedroom here has an ensuite bath setup. You've got the single sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower there. Now back out into the main hallway here. You've got a nice little flex room that can be used as a study or an additional bedroom. And this leads us to the main living spaces here. This opens up really nicely into your great room, with your kitchen overlooking the dining and the great room space. Got a nice corner pantry set up there. So everything is really nice and open. And then last but not least, on the interior, we have the master suite right back here in the corner. Really nice size master suite leading into the master bath with the dual sinks, nice size shower. You've got your enclosed water closet and really nice size walk-in closet here. Now last but not least, we have the outdoor living space. This home, one of the unique things, it features a 90-degree slider. So both these sliders open up and pocket away. So it's a really nice look. And let's give you a view of how that works here. We're going to open up both sides. We're going to take a step back, and now you can see that 90-degree opening leading you from the inside right out into your covered lanai space and overlooking the beautiful pool area on this home. All right, guys, so if you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at any of the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you guys watching.